Good morning. 6 o'clock. Way too early for me. Time to pack up. Well, 6:30. Got the tent packed up. I tell you what, having a picnic table nearby made a big difference. Stopped you having to bend down all the time. I'm going to make a cup of tea now. And then, looks like a sunny day. Then I'm in Delamere Forest. I'm going to wander down to the Delamere Visitor Centre and use their facilities to have a wash and get some tap water. I mean, I know I've filtered the stream water, and the one I had yesterday was boiled as well, and I had filtered still that bottle there, and I put a tablet in it as well, but it's just still so brown. I know it's from the peat and the soil. Oh, quick review regarding the tent. Well, apart from my personal issues with it being a bit too small for me, I would say it's one of that type of tent is you're going to have to be, you could only pitch it on certain types of ground. Ones where you get the pegs in the ground and they're going to stay firm. Like the soil is actually very peaty and not as compact as you would think, because every peg I put in lifted. Didn't matter what angle you put it in, it sort of lifted. The ground was too soft, which means, because that tent totally needs to be erected on tension. I mean, my Tiger 2 isn't itself standing, but it's you know, a peg in the ground will do. It doesn't have to be taut, which this tent does, which is something I never really thought about before. Anyway, let's hoping I find a decent pitch tonight. Alright, this is Black Lake. And excuse the clearing of the throat. I'm waking up with a bit of a cough. This could be another little potential camping spot. Nice chair there, tree stump. Bit of a track, but I didn't think this would be as well used as the one I was on last night. Anyway, onward to the visitor centre. Clean my teeth, wash my face, etc, etc. Right, some camper vans up there, some teepees. I would presume they'd probably take tents. It's called Eddersbury Lodge. You can see it on the OS map. It doesn't say it's a camping spot, but it looks like you probably could. So that might be a nice alternative to that camping club site. Anyway, not far off the visitor centre now. So good morning. I had to wait half an hour for the toilet block to open. So had me wash my pots out, filled my water up, and tell you, this Delamere is a busy old place. Maybe it's some kind of social gathering. One of my favourite disco songs. Just come out to walk across one, but these roads are quiet. Look at that, they're resurfacing the road. Lucky it wasn't all tacky tar. Anyway, onward I go. Oh dear, well, you know what this means. If I'm going down, I'm going to have to go back up. That looks pretty recent. You can hear the doing the roads. Can't see it. That's what that noise is. Right, I missed the trail a bit, so I've got to go up this one now, and I should be able to join back up with it. I mean, generally there's quite a lot of way markers, but when you come to junctions like this, there isn't. And not this particular junction, because I've actually this is the other junction I was at, and because the compass is not working on my OS maps, it's making me not exactly sure which way I should be going. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I was surprised how much I relied on that compass on the OS maps. So I have to see if I can get that sorted somehow. Right, this is going to be my spot to stop and have me lunch. I am knackered. And something tasty and simple to munch on at lunchtime. These do the job. Bacon flavoured cheddars. Very good. So after going through loads and loads of woods, we end up going through loads and loads of fields. Getting tired now. I'm not going to make my first destination that I planned. Might be maybe a mile, maybe 2 miles short of where I was planning to go. But hopefully where I do go, there'll be a place to camp, and there'll be a river. There's a river, definitely. I did see a nice spot I've just passed, but I'd like to get a little bit closer to my final destination that I wanted to make today. My charger, this new charger's not doing so hot. It's probably going to run out tomorrow, even though it's got solar panels on it, and it's meant to be, well, it's got more than sort of like mini solar panels, not just a little one. But honestly, just can't cope with my usage. Oh dear. Anyway, I shall start charging on through these fields, and hopefully I'll get to my destination within the next hour. This is how I'm walking through it, so I don't get bashed in the face. Ooh, you beast of a castle. I shall be there tomorrow. I had planned today, but I'm getting near my destination. Right, this is going to be home for tonight. There's a seat here. Now I just noticed there's some picnic tables over there, so I'm going over there. I have to camp up on this grass, I don't care. There's a river down the back there I can get some water from, I think, which I shall check out. Making a cup of tea. 10 to 6, and as soon as I got here, we've had one goatee, number 2, number 3. There's number 4, maybe there might be one behind it. And last night we was out in Delamere. I had all these people coming through now. I had to lock everyone's decided to for a particular time. I'm not setting the tent up yet. I need to get some water. I've got enough for a cup of tea, but I need more than that.